Good morning, this is Seth Nagel with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas, and this is the morning weather briefing for Thursday, November 2nd, 2017. For today, we're looking at continued warm temperatures and record heat possible at both San Angelo and Abilene, where we're looking at highs right around 90. The record high in Abilene for this date is 84, set in 2016. And for San Angelo, it is 91. That was set back in 1945. San Angelo, we've got a forecast high right at the record high, and for Abilene, it looks like we should, unless something strange happens, fairly easily break the record today with a high forecast of 90 degrees. With these very warm temperatures across pretty much the entire area, and breezy west to southwest winds, we're looking at elevated fire weather conditions, mainly north of Minnesota to Brownwood line, but even south of there, although winds will be lighter, we're still looking at elevated fire weather conditions, just not dealing with the winds quite as much. For the rest of this week and into the weekend, we're looking at the heat to continue. Highs from Friday into Monday will stay in the 80s to around 90 degrees, looking potentially pushing near record heat pretty much every day at San Angelo and Abilene. The only day that looks potentially cooler is maybe Friday for Abilene. Areas along and north of the Interstate 20 corridor will be under the influence of a weak cold front on Friday, so highs that day will be in the 70s to near 80 degrees for the big country. But for the rest of that time period, we're looking at very warm temperatures, 10 to 15 degrees above normal, and once again near record heat pretty much each day. So it'll be a warm weekend into the early part of next week. That said, we are looking at cooler temperatures potentially arriving by the middle of next week. Could be as early as Tuesday for parts of the northern parts of the forecast area, but it looks like definitely by Wednesday we're going to see cooler temperatures area-wide, with highs getting much closer to normal, down into the upper 60s to lower 70s across the area. Doesn't look like a real good shot of rainfall with this cold front that should move through either Tuesday or Tuesday night, but there is a slight chance, mainly for areas generally east of a Haskell to Abilene to Brownwood line, but it's only a slight chance at this time, and not likely to produce a whole lot of rainfall if we do see rainfall with that front. Once again, record heat for today across the area, and breezy west to southwest winds causing elevated fire weather conditions. That is the briefing for this Thursday morning. Please check back tomorrow morning for an updated briefing. Thanks.